Hey guys, my new helmet's arrived today and I thought we'd unbox it together. So I've gone for the Ruroc. I can't say German, how do you say it? Yeah, I've been fancied a Ruroc for a while, but always been a bit wary as you can't try them on in any shops or anything. I have tried them on at shows and I feel comfortable. But yeah, I thought, well, with my Shoei Note 2 now being toast, or now's the time to try one. So I went to the head and ordered. So let's unbox together. It's a bit too dark today, it's a bit grim out there. Let's try away, and the packaging is it's really quality. This should make it feel quite special. The proof is always in the pudding, isn't it? So, the big question is, I took my measurements from their website, and big question is it going to fit, or am I going to have to go send it back for the next size up? Let's see. So one thing that does worry me with these, so there it is. So too tight, I'll get next size. Okay, so fast forward 1 week, and here's the replacement. As you can probably tell, that size was way too small. So I usually take a size medium large, like 58 in helmets. My Shoei size was perfect on my head, but size 58, well, what's equivalent to 58 on the Ruroc was way too tight. Yeah, I even struggled to get off my head. Struggled on a big head. So yeah, it took 1 week. I sent it back on a Monday, and yeah, I received the replacement next size up, which is large, extra large, on Saturday, surprisingly. So yeah, if you're going to order one of these Ruroc helmets, I would honestly say start with the size above what their website tells you to order. Start with that and see how you get on. But yeah, so what I can say from first unboxing is it looks and feels a quality bit of kit. I was a bit worried about buying one of these helmets, to be honest, because there's, I mean, the only real reviews that are out there seem a little biased. I've read a couple that had a few negative points about it, and obviously, and I don't really want more than one helmet. I'm happy with one helmet. Yeah, yeah. So I don't like to have more than one helmet. I just like to, once I can put all my comms on, get all like paired up to your phone, and possibly put a Drift Ghost camera on this now, but we'll see. So yeah, it's got to be comfortable for me, and it's got to be easy to use. I just wanted something like a easy seatbelt style fastening system, but this has got like a strange magnetic closing system, but it looks a bit dubious, but it feels solid. So yeah, and obviously this has got the this is tested to the latest standards, the ECE 26 or like that. I'll tell you on that. Oh, here you go, ECE R2206. So yeah, so this is the size large, extra large. Didn't need to bed it in yet, but there it is on me. So I think the fastening system is going to take a little bit of getting used to. Oh yeah, I mean that's solid. Yeah, so fit feels really nice actually. Can't complain. You know, it doesn't feel, once it's on the head, doesn't feel tight or anything. Not feeling any pressure points yet. I mean, obviously, I've not been out on the road yet, so fingers crossed that's happening later for the first time in 2.5 weeks. Hope you can hear this. But yeah, feels good on the head. So yeah, taking the undoing the magnetic fastening system is easy. Like that, it's really clever fastening system. I was a bit worried it might be a bit unreliable at first, but yeah, no, tugging on it and nothing's happening. So taking it off. A little bit tight still because probably need to bed it in a bit, but I'm used to flip fronts as well, so much easier to take off. Not much else to go over really at the minute. I've not tested it on the road yet, so I ordered the photochromatic lens. I did find the closing system is a bit fiddly, so I have to play about with it a bit. Then you have to put it right down for it to lock, so that might take a bit getting used to. Yeah, overall build quality is pretty good, can't complain. Oh, it also comes with the free shockwave sound system. It's just very simple to fit, just magnetic. That little bit there that pulls out, that's just the original bit is just a cover. This is the actual shockwave unit, just a couple of leads that go in, plug into it, and actually I'll show you. I haven't got any nails, but yeah, that just pulls out. That's just a unit, and the speakers are all pre-wired inside, so yeah, just plug straight in. So not sure what else to go over. That's about it for now. Yeah, so far very impressed with it. You know, looks like a quality piece of kit. We'll see how it performs on the road later, all being well. As I said, if you are going to order one, I would recommend going one size up. I know we've all got different shapes of heads and I know Shoei's fitted me pretty well. But yeah, the size that was recommended to me by the website was way too tight. So yeah, that would be my recommendation. Okay, I think that's about it for now. I shall report back in due course when I've been out on the road with it. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.